balancing of a redox reaction. Fine. Balancing of
Yes.
a redox reaction. So if we talk about this balancing of a redox reaction, so simply what it involves. So in balancing of a redox reaction, we simply discuss, okay, we simply discuss that the number of electrons lost during oxidation must be completely utilized in a reduction. मतलब जो भी पार्ट, जो भी एक स्पीशीज क्या होते हैं बेटा, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज हो रहे हैं किसी भी स्पीशीज से, तो वहां पर जितने नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लूज हो रहे हैं वो सारे के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या होंगे बेटा, वो सारे के सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यूटिलाइज हो रहे हैं इन रिडक्शन. तो बैलेंसिंग का सीधा सा यही एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है, जस्ट टू शो that the electrons given out in the oxidation process are completely utilized in the reduction process. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Balancing is done. Okay, balancing is done to show that the number of electrons, okay children, number of electrons given out during oxidation is completely utilized in the reduction process. Okay, we have two method. ठीक है, we have two method of balancing. Following methods are used for balancing a redox reaction, and these two methods are, first is ion
Oxidation number.
electron method. Okay children, first is what? First is ion electron method, and the second is what? Second one is
Oxidation number method.
oxidation number method. Is it fine children? So these are the two methods used for the balancing of what? These are the two methods used for the balancing of a redox reaction. First method is oxidation number method, and second method that we have is ion electron method is the first, and the second is oxidation number method. Is it clear to all of you children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, so I have shared PDF with you all. So we'll follow that step.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So children, we'll start with ion electron method first. So as the name suggests, ion electron.
सर यही हाफ रिएक्शन मेथड भी है ना?
हाँ, this is also known as half reaction method, because यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं बेटा, we divide the reaction into two half. एक ऑक्सीडेशन हाफ रिएक्शन हो जाता है and the another becomes reduction half reaction. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we have here, so here we have first thing is in first step, suppose हम एक chemical equation ले लेते हैं ना, एक chemical equation ले लेते हैं और उस chemical equation में क्या होती है बेटा, कुछ conditions हैं, ठीक है, will follow that condition. यहाँ पर एसिडिक और न्यूट्रल मीडियम के लिए कंडीशन एक जैसे होते हैं बेटा, और बेसिक के लिए कंडीशन थोड़े से अलग होंगे, ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा, बेसिक के लिए कंडीशन थोड़े से अलग हो जाएंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन,
Yes.
ओके फाइन. सो अब कोई एक इक्वेशन आपको आता हो तो आप स्टार्ट बताइए, हम लोग उससे शुरू करते हैं, अदरवाइज आई विल टेक सम रिएक्शन. ओके, वैसे
So MnO4 I.
यस यस बेटा, यस.
Sir, MnO4 minus plus I minus gives MnO2 plus I2.
ओके, MnO4 हम इसी से मिलता जुलता एक और ले सकते हैं बेटा, फिर डाइक्रोमेट क्यों ना ले लें.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
एंड दिस इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन टाइट्रेशन, ठीक है, वी विल
Yes.
टाइट्रेट, मतलब टाइट्रेशन रिएक्शन हम कराएंगे बिटवीन potassium dichromate and oxalic acids. Okay, fine, that's good. So here we have what we have. First is, yes beta, this is Cr2O7 2 negative. Okay, and then we have C2O4 2 negative, and in acidic medium it changes into what? In acidic medium it changes into Cr3 positive plus CO2 plus H2O. Is it fine? Cr2O7 2 negative plus C2O4 2 negative plus H positive, Cr3 positive plus CO2 plus H2O. Is it fine children? So देखो, जब हमें
Yes, sir.
कोई रिएक्शन गिवन नहीं है, so in that case what we basically do, in that case हम क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सबसे पहले लिखते हैं क्या, सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं आयनिक फॉर्म, ठीक है, रिएक्शन को हम आयनिक फॉर्म में लिखने की कोशिश करते हैं. So if reaction is already given in ionic form, तो उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, उस केस में हमारी कहानी थोड़ी सी अलग होगी. जैसे इस रिएक्शन की बात करें, so this reaction is already given in terms of ionic form, ठीक है, ये already ionic form में mention है. So what we do, we'll write the oxidation number of each element, मतलब हर एक एटम का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हम यहाँ पर मेंशन कर देंगे, ठीक है बेटा. आई होप यहाँ पर कोई आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, बिकॉज वी आर एबल टू कैलकुलेट द ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट. क्रोमियम +6, ऑक्सीजन -2, then we have carbon here. This, so carbon is having what? The oxidation state of carbon will be, yes children, what will be the oxidation state of carbon over here?
6.
Divided
3.
by 2,
3
right?
sir, 3
हाँ, अरे ठीक है,
plus
ठीक
3.
है. हाँ मैं समझ गया था, क्योंकि 6 तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना, क्योंकि कार्बन का कार्बन किस
Yes.
ग्रुप में आता है बेटा, 14 में. So this will be 3. Then we have what beta? Oxygen again -2, hydrogen, it's clear case, +1. Then we have here +3, its oxidation state is +3 only, and in this case oxidation state of carbon is +4, carbon, oxygen is -2, hydrogen is +1, oxygen is -2 again. So what are the species which undergoes oxidation and reduction? So if we talk about this chromium, so this chromium undergoes, yes children, it undergoes
Reduction.
it undergoes reduction because there is decrease in oxidation number. So it undergoes reduction, and here this carbon undergoes what, children? This carbon undergoes oxidation because there is increase in oxidation number. Fine. So we'll start. Okay, ये हमारा step 1 हो गया बेटा ना. Whatever we have done here, that is what, that was step 1 only. Now step 2 will be what, children? Step 2 will be splitting. Okay, splitting into two half reactions. Fine children, splitting into two half reaction. और वहां पर क्या होगा बेटा? One will be oxidation half and another will be reduction half. और किसी को भी नहीं लेंगे बेटा. So which part is undergoing reduction? So it is Cr2O7 2 negative, and this changes into Cr3 positive. And this one is what? This one is reduction half reaction. Is it clear, children? This one is reduction half reaction. Then we have C2O4 2 negative, which changes into CO2. And this one is what? This one is oxidation half reaction. Is it clear or not, children?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll balance.
Clear.
Okay, fine, beta. Now we have step 3. So in step 3, what we do, children? Step 3 में हम simple सा balance करते हैं बेटा. Atoms are balanced. Atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen are balanced. Is it fine, children? Atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen are balanced here. So if we talk about this case, so Cr2O7 2 negative, and here we are having Cr3 positive. Is it clear? So on left hand side, as we can see here, on left hand side, what we are having, children? On left hand side, we are having 2 chromium atom, and on right side we are having only 1. तो यहाँ पर हम इसको कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे बेटा? We'll just put 2 over here. Fine. Now in second one, we are having C2O4 2 negative, and here on this side beta, what we are having? We are having CO2. So number of carbon atom on left hand side is 2, whereas on right side it is 1. तो हम किसको बैलेंस करेंगे बेटा? First, number of carbon atoms will be balanced. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now other than hydrogen and oxygen atoms are balanced. Now it's turn. अब turn है बेटा किसको balance करने का? Now it's turn for balancing of hydrogen and oxygen atom. So this will be.
सर H2O ऐड करेंगे ऑक्सीजन की कमी पे.
हाँ. Now balancing of hydrogen and oxygen takes place. ठीक है बेटा, balancing of hydrogen and oxygen takes place. ठीक है. Then what we have here? We have ये क्या बेटा? Here it is H positive. It is clear. अगर H नहीं भी होता ना, so for acidic and neutral medium we apply same concept. So for the purpose of, like for the balancing of
Yes.
oxygen atom, what we do for the balancing of Cr2O7 2 negative, and on this side we are having 2 Cr3 positive. So on this side, how many atoms of oxygen we are having? We are having 7 oxygen atom. तो जब भी हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? जब भी हम न्यूट्रल या फिर एसिडिक मीडियम को बैलेंस करेंगे, तो वहां पर ऑक्सीजन की डेफिशिएंसी को कंपनसेट करने के लिए या फिर ऑक्सीजन को बैलेंस करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे?
वाटर ऐड करेंगे।
वाटर ऐड करेंगे. लाइक हियर हाउ मेनी ऑक्सीजन एटम्स वी आर हैविंग 7 एंड इस साइड एक भी नहीं है. तो टू बैलेंस दिस ऑक्सीजन एटम
7
विल
H2O.
add 7 molecules of water. So this will be what beta? Here we are having 7 H2O. Is it balanced? No, it is not.
The
Why?
14H
Because
plus.
now we are having hydrogen. और हाइड्रोजन को बैलेंस करने के लिए क्या करेंगे बेटा? फॉर द बैलेंसिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन
The 14H plus.
add, हाँ, will add जितनी भी डेफिशिएंसी है बेटा उतने नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम जिस साइड डेफिशिएंसी है उस साइड हम ऐड कर देंगे. So here deficiency is on which side beta? It is on left hand side. So how many hydrogen we are having here? We are having
14.
7 to the 14. So we'll add here how much? We'll add 14H positive ion. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, rest of you children, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब हम अपने ऑक्सीडेशन भाई को देखते हैं कि क्या हाल है ऑक्सीडेशन वाले भाई का. So
Sir,
here
इलेक्ट्रॉन
it
भी
is.
बैलेंस करेंगे ना?
हाँ बेटा, that will be balanced. Okay. So if we talk about oxidation one case, so here how many carbon? 2 2. Okay. Oxygen 4 4. It is already balanced, right?
Yes.
Is it clear, children? It is already balanced, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no need to worry about this. Now in step 4, okay, step 5 we have to discuss. Now in step 5, balancing of what beta? Balancing of charge. Balancing
Yes.
of charge in both half reaction is done. ठीक है बेटा, balancing of charge in both half reaction is done. Now in this case बेटा, यहाँ पर बहुत it's very simple बेटा. Cr2, देखो समझोगे तो समझने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. हम सिंपल सा लिख देते हैं जहां पर समझने के लिए कुछ ना हो ना. So 2Cr3 positive plus 7H2O. So what is the charge here beta? -2. Simple sa -2. What is the charge we are having here? Plus 14. यहाँ पर charge क्या है बेटा? Chromium is having +3. 2 chromium
6.
are there. So we are having +3 charge. Fine. Net charge क्या आ रहा है बेटा? Net charge here we are having +12. And on this side, how much charge we are having? We are having +6. Is it balanced? No, it is not balanced.
No, sir.
So how we can balance? If we add 6 electrons, remember children, if we add 6 electrons on this side, so this will be balanced. अब क्या हो गया बेटा? 12 minus 6 आ जाएगा ना?
6 हो जाएगा.
So this will be what? This will be equal to -6 on, sorry, +6 only. Now on both the sides, charge are balanced or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अरे समझ में भी आ रहा है या yes किए जा रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
आ रहा है,
sir.
sir.
समझ आ रहा है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बैलेंस हो गए.
अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रॉन दिख रहे हैं ऐसे बैलेंस होते हुए?
सर चार्जेस इक्वल हो गए बोथ साइड.
Okay, fine. Now this part is clear. Okay, then we have C2O4 2 minus and we have 2CO2. This side we are having -2 and on this side we are having 0. So how we can balance this beta? Simply by adding 2 electrons on this side, this will have -2. Now on both the side, charges are balanced. In both half reaction even, charges are balanced. Fine children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So in both the cases now charges are balanced. Now what we'll be doing here, Now
सर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से 2
हाँ,
इलेक्ट्रॉन वाले को.
now beta here in the last step what we do, addition of half reactions and balancing of coefficient of electrons in both. So how many electron this one is gaining, beta? This one is gaining 6 electron and this one is losing how much electron, beta? It is losing 2 electrons. So this gain and loss must be what? It must be equal. So this one will be multiplied by 1 and this one will be multiplied by 3. So by doing so, what will have? Cr2O7 2 negative plus 14H, okay, 14H positive plus 6 electron gives us what, children? It gives us 2 Cr3 positive plus 7 H2O. And here what will have, children? Here will have plus 3 C2O4 2 minus, and on this side what will have 6 CO2 plus 6 electron. Is it fine, children? Now this 6 electron on both sides are common, so this will be cancelled out and the final balanced reaction will be what? And the final balanced reaction will be Cr2O7 2 positive plus 3 C2O4 2 negative plus 14H plus 2 Cr3 positive plus 6 CO2 plus 7 H2. So this is what, children? This is our balanced redox reaction.
Yeah.